All right. So here is a quick tip about accessing Git related stuff from Vim, especially without having any plugin related to Git inside Vim. Okay, let me reiterate. You could access few of the stuff of Git inside Vim without having any Git plugin installed in Vim. I'm going to show you two of the specific stuff which might come in handy to your operation of Git inside Vim. Okay, to give you some sort of sense what I have just tell you, let me go to my so I believe I'm zoomed in up so people can see. V is a shorthand for Vim. So for instance, I'm just going to arbitrarily open a particular file in a Linux next Git repo for no apparent reason. I opened it previously, so this will give you an easy example. Okay, so if I press enter, I'm right inside that particular file. It could be any file inside any Git repo. So I have a bind. I made a bind. I'll show you in a moment. So my leader key is semicolon, and if I want to see the log of this particular file, all I have to do leader gl. See, this will be show me open up a Vim internal terminal. You look at the bottom of the screen. The command is right in front of you. Okay, I didn't suppress the command. I could have easily silent it to make things cool, but I left it alone just to make sure that you see it what the command actually ran it. So it's basically from the EXPROM run internal terminal command of Vim, then git log one line, and that percentage signifies the file I'm inside it. Okay, so this is a cool way to see if you are open a particular file in Git repo and wanted to know the commits related to that particular file. You could see that instead of one line, if you want to have the detailed explanation of those commit in a terminal, so you could easily remove the one line subcommand from git log, so it will show you every command in detailed space on the terminal itself. Okay, to close that stuff, you have to do control W and C. Oh, I need to close it, then control W and C. See, this is one way of quickly accessing the um, log of a git log of a particular file you are visiting. Okay, now I have another one, leader gb. See, it show me the blame git blame of a particular file which I'm visiting right now. Again, look at the bottom of the screen. The command is there. It's the internal vim terminal command with git blame, and the percentage is the file you are visiting. So like this way, you can get other git stuff within vim without having any plugin, external plugin. I'm not saying those plugins are bad or some of the plugins are outstanding. I just don't use it. I just don't use it, and I thought this is very easy to do with the internal stuff of Vim. So I cooked up this stuff. So that's what I'm showing you. You could do a number of stuff like this to for your convenience. So I thought it will be useful for people who generally visit the Git repo and specific file, curious about particular file when they are visiting stuff. So I'm just showing you. You can see the git blame. This is what you are seeing right on the screen right now, and the previous one is the git log of the particular file you were visiting. As you saw, I used one line, so every command get one single line description. You could take away the one line, so it will give you the descriptive one. This one is blaming, git blame in a terminal inside Vim. As you can see the command right bottom of the screen on the left hand side. Likewise, you could do other stuff too. So I thought it will be useful for some people who are curious enough and use git inside Vim. And the whole purpose is to not using any external plugin. I have already said I have nothing against the plugin. Some of them are very good, but I don't use it. So that's why this cooked up. So I thought someone might be interested in it. Thanks for watching.